Hey folks, I'm so grateful that you clicked for today's video. As I promised in my previous video that I will be covering the most important principles of book Extreme Ownership in this video, so here I am. Now the most crucial step for any leader is to first know how to make a plan. So the essential steps of making a plan are quite here. First of all, analyze the mission. Identify the personal assets, resources and time available. Then make small teams within a team, that is to decentralize the planning process. Determine a specific course of action. Empower key leaders to develop the plan for the selected course of action. Plan for likely setbacks through each phase of the operation. Reduce risks as much as possible. Delegate portions of the plan and brief to key junior leaders. Stand back and be the tactical genius. Brief the plan to all participants and supporting assets. Analyze lessons learned and implement them in future planning. Now, one more way how you can take your planning to the next level according to this book is by using a principle called prioritize and execute. Now, to implement prioritize and execute in any business, team or organization, a leader must, number one, evaluate the highest priority problem. Number two, lay out in simple, clear and concise terms the highest priority effort for your team. Number three, develop and determine a solution. Seek input from key leaders and from the team wherever possible. Number fourth, direct the execution of that solution, focusing all efforts and resources towards this priority task. Number fifth, move on to the next highest priority problem and then repeat. Number 6. When priorities shift within team, pass situational awareness both up and down the chain. Number 7. Don't let the focus on one priority cause target fixation. Maintain the ability to see other problems developing and rapidly shift as needed.